All communities have connectors. Some set up a weekly knitting group in the library. Some work with parents and students to create a school garden with a buddy seat. Some transform an old yard into a music studio and garden for young men. Some invite isolated older people to the weekly Tuesday club. Or the Men's Shed social group. Some are passionate about cultural integration and inclusion. And some want to build safer and friendly neighbourhoods.
And if that's what a connector is, I'd be very glad to be one of those.